My dear student friends, I am Amitabh Basu, your Amitabh sir. Today I am showing you the reaction of copper sulphate or CuSO4 with excess amount of ammonium hydroxide or NH4OH. First I take a test tube, then I add some amount of copper sulphate solution, CuSO4 solution. It is neutral solution. Then I am adding some amount of ammonium hydroxide solution bar or NH4OH solution. See what is forming? CuOH saltwise, cupric hydroxide. Then I am adding extra or excess amount of ammonium hydroxide in it. See what is the change? Wow! A beautiful color is formed like deep blue color. It is for cuproammonium sulphate. What a taste! You may identify Cu2 plus radical by the taste. So I am finishing today. You may like the video and subscribe my channel Practical and Theory Classroom. Like, share and subscribe please. So I am finishing today. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.